Hello GMAT Janta, Trick 27, Quant 45 to 51, presented by Mission MBA. As promised to you, today we are going to talk about how to solve quadratic equation in just 10 seconds, one step. You are required to do this in multiple questions of GMAT, and today you will learn how to tackle it in just 5 or 10 seconds. With practice, you'll be able to deal with it in just 2 seconds, and it will be done in just one step. Let's show you how. For example, guys, if I see this equation, I can directly say that it is x minus 5 and x minus 4 and x equals to 5 and 4. And I have enough practice, I can see this equation and say that x equals to 13 and x equals to minus 2. And over here I can say that x equals to 3 and x equals to 2. Now, do you want to learn that? Of course, I'll help you with that. But guys, before that, please click the bell icon and subscribe our channel. We are just giving away these tricks, we're giving away these traps, and we are taking a lot of pain in making all these videos. It requires a lot of efforts, guys, to make one and then edit it and post it. Please like and share with your friends. And we assure you that we'll come up with daily tricks and traps to boost your GMAT score. So guys, time to learn. The idea is when you see an equation like this, the first thing that should go in your mind is the same process which you actually use to solve this equation. Look for two numbers whose multiple is 20 and look for two numbers whose addition is minus 9. Now, the idea is you recognize those words, minus 5 and minus 4. The product becomes 20 and the addition becomes minus 9. But what you do is you take the extra step. Write down minus 5x minus 4x plus 20 equals to 0. Then you take x common. Then you write x minus 5. Then you take 4 common. You write x minus 5. And then ultimately you write x minus 5 and x minus 4 equals to 0. And then you come up to this point x equals to 5 and x equals to 4. Now, in the first step, you came to that point that the numbers are minus 5 and minus 4. And then you did these entire steps to come to the very same point again. So what's the use of thinking? Once you thought that, okay, it is about minus 5 and minus 4, the answer is direct x minus 5 and x minus 4. Because when this gets multiplied, this is going to make x squared, this minus 5x, this minus 4x, and hence minus 9x. And these two are going to multiply and get plus 20. So once you have decided these numbers, directly write them in the form of factors. And once you have written in the form of factors, you can find out the solution. Let's see again for the second one. Minus 11 and minus 26. Do not write anything. Just tell me what two numbers when multiplied are going to give you minus 26 and what two numbers on addition are going to give you minus 11. You're not going to write this in your actual exam. Just think. The idea is simple. 26, in my mind, it's going as 1 and 26. No, I can't make 11. 2 and 13. Yes, I can make 11. Now I need minus 11. So how? This has to be minus and this has to be 2. That's all is going in my mind. So idea is simple, minus 13 and 2. So guys, the answer is also very simple. The answer is x minus 13 and x plus 2. Right? That's done in just one step. And once you get pro in it, you can remember, okay, how you are making this minus 13 and 2. So the factor will come this. So the answer will be the opposite side. So this is going to become 13 and from here the x is going to become minus 2. Now let's try the next one. X squared minus 5x plus 6. So in your mind, you are thinking AB equals to 6 and A plus B equals to minus 5. What numbers can be there? 1 and 6. Yes, they make a 5. But I need to have opposite signs of 1 and 6 to make it minus 5. Because if they have the same signs, they're going to make 7. And if you have opposite signs, you're going to end up in minus 6. So not possible. 1, 6 is not the idea. 2, 3? Yes, perfect. Product makes a 6 and minus 2 and minus 3 makes minus 5. Think even over here, minus 6 and 1 would have given you minus 5, but not 6. So the idea is when you have this thing as positive, that means the two numbers which you have A and B have the same sign to make it positive. And here you have minus 5. So you cannot make minus 5 using 1 and 6. So this is a very beautiful equation which comes x squared minus 5x plus 6. Right? So this, of course, is important for you. And I'll make a video with that equation as well. But right now, let us just simply learn AB equals to 6. A plus B equals to minus 5. The idea is minus 2 and minus 3. Hence, the x value will be 2 and 3. That's it. Guys, you can make equations on your own. Alright guys, let's try another equation. X squared minus 10x plus 16. Let us say we got this equation. So we have AB equals to 16. Product 16. Addition minus 10. Numbers minus 8 and minus 2. Correct? Product 16. Addition minus 10. So the value of x will become 8 and the value of x will become 2. The opposite of these signs. Because I know that these are going to make the factors. So that this becomes x squared minus 8x minus 2x minus 10x and plus 16. So idea is simple. Once you come down to the two numbers, directly write down in the form of factors. And if you change their sign, you'll get the value of x. That's it guys. And you can also solve it in just 10 seconds. And with practice, under 5 seconds. But be careful, the trick only works when the coefficient of x squared is 1. If that's not there, you cannot use this trick and you have to go with your factorization method only. But you have seen that in 70 to 80% of scenarios, we'll see the coefficient of x squared 1 only. So I hope you have learned it, practice it to become a master in it, and I'm sure you will be able to solve the quadratic equations under 10 seconds and hence decrease your time of questions by a significant amount. So enjoy your learning. Be sure you subscribe us so that you never miss an update and important videos. Thank you and have a nice day.